So you clicked on my video. You had the audacity to click on this video. You read my title, you saw my thumbnail, and you're like, oh, you know what? I'm gonna go watch your video. Well, I'm so happy you're here. If you clicked on this video, it is because you want to know about my skincare routine because, you know what? I'm gonna hype myself up. On this channel, I'm gonna be hyping myself up. And I don't want to hear anybody say, she's so cocky. This is my channel. This is my space, right? So I will say whatever the hell I want. I have some bomb ass skin. I barely have a wrinkle on my face. I take pride in my skin. I take pride on what I use on my skin, how I treat it, what I eat, from A to Z. And it is time that I share my knowledge and my skills with you girls. I am so tired of people, for example, right? Let's say I have this skincare product and it's like $80 and it's like, this is gonna change your life, this is gonna do this is gonna do that. But it's like, no, this can help, but it also has to do with what you eat, what other products you put in your face. It has to do with so many things. I am very knowledgeable when it comes out. I'm over here like giving you guys an interview. Like, this is why you should pick me and listen to me. Well, let's pretend, right? Let's pretend this is an interview and I'm like trying to get you guys to hire me. Okay, ready? Here we go. I have been really into skincare since the age of like 18. I do a lot of research. I don't just go buy off what other people tell me. Like, I actually do research. I read ingredients. I know what certain ingredients mean. I will tell you how to fix your skin from like inside and out. So it's not just like products. Like, I would not tell you go buy this product so I can make a commission. Like, no. I genuinely care about you and I want you to glow and I want you to live your best life. I want you to thrive and strive. I want you to showcase that natural beauty that you have, girl. You deserve to wake up and look flawless and not have to worry about anything in your life. Thank you. Call me, okay? Call me. Not you guys seeing my pajama pants. I'm here to teach you guys everything. And we're not only gonna be talking about products because in this bag right here, not only do we have skincare products, but we also have the pills that I take. Because you gotta take your pills, take your vitamins, take your collagen. So to wash my face, what do I use? I am obsessed with these two face washes right here. And I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. I've been using this one for months now, and this one I just started using it for like 3 weeks now, but it is so good that I had to put it on this video. 3 weeks is all that I need to know that I'm obsessed with this product. I guard this one. Like, I'll take it in the shower with me and then right before Lewis gets in, I literally grab it and I walk out with it. Like, I don't even leave it in the shower. I walk out with it because I don't even want him using it. And he's like, wow, like, why can't I use it? And I'm like, boy, you barely do moisturizer. Like, you do not deserve this face wash right here. Like, if you actually cared about your skincare routine and like did it, you could use this, but you barely even moisturize. Get out my face. The audacity to ask me to use my face wash. Every single product that I'm gonna be showing you here today, all of the ingredients are clean, natural. It's clean, it's good for you. This is pretty expensive, this is affordable. So I'm giving you guys 2 different options. I'll go on TikTok and I'll watch girls do their skincare routines and I stress. I literally wanna like yell. I will see girls. I will literally see girls doing face wash, serum, toner, eye cream, moisturizer, a spray, another serum, and put so many things on their face. And I'm just like, what are you doing to yourself? And if you do that, like, I'm not trying to come for your wig, just let it be like an eye opener. Like, you know what? Okay, let me hear Bramty out. Like, why does she not like that? Like, why is that bad? I thought that was what we had to do, like a 9-step skincare routine. No. That's what being a consumer is. Buying all these things that you don't need. So if you really think about it, right? For example, like this is the ingredient list in this product, this little thing. Tiny, it's tiny compared to others. It's like this big. This one's tiny. Let's say you're adding 9 products to your face. The ingredient list for each one is this big. All the ingredients on this one, plus the moisturizer, plus the serum, plus the other serum, plus the eye cream, plus the spray, plus this, plus that. If you were to add just all these ingredients together, you would have a whole damn essay. You would have a whole damn book. You just added like 300 ingredients to your face before you go to sleep. With me, I am so simple, less is more. And I will say that to the very end. That's why I'm here today, to help you guys see the light. In the morning, I wash my face. I either use this one or this one. I've been loving this one a little bit more. And I will have everything linked down below in my Amazon storefront so you guys can easily find it. We're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of this, what the hell is this called? It's called dermaplaning. I'm not just telling you what products I like, but I'm literally telling you like what I do on my skin. Like, I'm telling you everything. Today's video is not gonna be like, I use this. No, we shave the damn mustache off. That's what we do. You want like a smooth, shiny face. You want your makeup to go on smooth. You gotta dermaplane. I was very skeptical about dermaplaning because I always thought my hair would grow back harder, especially being Latina and me having like dark, thick hair. I was like, my shit's gonna grow back thick. Like, let me not do that. But then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do it. One day I'm like, I'm gonna do it. And I love it. I do it like once every 2 weeks. I really, truly recommend it. Don't ever dermaplane with your face being dry. Like, you always wanna have some sort of oil on it so that you can do it smooth. You're not irritating your skin. You're not causing little bumps. So I just use an organic natural oil. This is rosehip oil. It really doesn't matter what you use as long as you're using some type of oil. Never rub underneath your eyes. And then you want to get yourself some tissue paper because when you dermaplane, you're gonna have hairs on your little stick and you just want to get it off. By the way, I have a zit right there, and that is because I'm about to get my period. And now the next thing that I do is something very important. It is using the gua sha. It is so good for so many reasons. One, if you deal with just like a puffy face in the morning, it's gonna help you just get rid of that puffiness quicker. I'm gonna use a little bit of more oil so that the gua sha can slide through, and then I'm gonna wash it off afterwards. When using the gua sha, first thing that you wanna do, and I've learned this from watching other girls do this on TikTok, so I learned that you gotta open up your lymph nodes. Like, these are one of the girls that I watched, she explained it as these being the holes in a sink, the drain. And when you're gua shaing, like, you're pushing everything down, so you want to just kind of like activate your hole. So using the gua sha, what is it for? What does it do? It helps to puff. It also helps structure your face, like bring out your features. So we're gonna start with under my eye, and you're gonna use not light and not hard pressure, like in between. And then when you notice that your face starts turning red, you're good to move on to the next spot. We're gonna go ahead and move up on our foreheads. We're gonna go in the middle and bring it up, and then we're gonna go ahead and do it this way. So we're gonna push it. So we're gonna go start from the middle and then push it that way. We're gonna go ahead and get our jaws. You wanna snatch jaw? Get on top of this. So just follow the structure of your jaw. This is gonna help define it. Over time, you're gonna notice that your face structure is gonna start really structuring. Now we're gonna do around our eyes. We're gonna go clockwise, and we're just gonna do a circle. Do this like 10 times, that's what I do. And then I like to finish it off by just pushing all that out one more time. And then I go ahead and get my fingers and I press in the middle of my eyebrows. I press it for like 10 seconds. And then I go ahead and get my fingers and I just go down my nose. And now we're gonna finish it off. We're gonna bring everything down the drain. And that is how I do my gua sha routine. I personally don't like when people say this because people will be like, let me tell you how my skin is so glowy. Number one, water. And I'm like, ugh, but it's true. Like, water is so important. Let's talk toner. One of my favorite toners ever. It is from the same brand of the face wash. It is really good. The ingredients are very minimal. It has kombucha and glycolic acid. I use this over my face. I just use a cotton pad. And when I do tone my face, I like to go in a upwards, outwards motion on my face. After I get out the shower, what do I put on my skin? Because I do have like nice and glowy skin. I have not put anything on my body today. This is just my skin as it is. And I use something that I absolutely love, and it is jojoba oil. 100% pure jojoba oil for hair, skin, and scalp. One ingredient, natural, good for your skin. Whatever you're gonna put on your skin, you need to realize that your skin's absorbing it. It's going into your stream. And as you can tell, I've been using it. I use this on my skin, my arms, on my elbows when it gets ashy. I put some into this little thing too. This is just like a travel little thing, and I put this so I can take it with me traveling, and it gives you like a nice glow. It absorbs really fast compared to coconut oil, if you've ever used coconut oil. So it absorbs really fast. It gives you a nice glow, especially if you're gonna go out to the beach or the pool, or for like a photo shoot and you want your skin glowy, like whatever it is. And I really, really love this more than coconut oil, because coconut oil, if you get it in your clothes, it'll leave like an oil mark, and it takes really long to absorb, and it has that coconut smell. This doesn't have a smell. This absorbs fast. It doesn't leave your clothes stained. It's really good. For my lips, what do we use on my lips? Bramty, what are we using on the lips, girl? We are using Laneige. It's the lip sleeping mask. But girl, am I using it only for sleeping? It is so nice. It smells so good. Moisturizer. I love this moisturizer right here. This is my baby. If you guys follow me on social media, I always talk about this right here. I love it. I love the brand. The brand itself, love the brand. So the brand is called Mad Hippie, and the face cream is my absolute favorite product in the entire skincare collection that they have. This is made with peptides, acai, argan oil, and resveratrol. The ingredients are really small. This brand is a very clean, natural brand, and it sits so pretty under makeup. Girls, It sits so pretty under makeup. If you want a makeup look where you're still glowy, this right here. I was gonna wash the oil off my face, but I was like, whatever. I'm not gonna do makeup after this. I'll just let my skin have a little bit of extra oil today. Put it on my eyebrows. I put it everywhere. I pat it under my eyes. And you can tell, like, you can just tell. You can tell my skin thrives and strives off of this skincare routine that I have going on right now. You know what? Let's just add some of this on my chest. Now let's talk about what I use for the inside of my body so that the results can show on the outside. First, we have collagen. I have tried so many different brands of collagen pills, and this right here, this brand right here is called New Chapter. It is for your hair, skin, and nails. Fermented biotin and beauty herbs, formulated for absorption, youthful skin, and reduced fine lines, strong hair, and nails. It is 100% vegan. It is non-GMO. It is certified gluten-free. I love it. I'm obsessed. It does the job. And the way I know it does the job is because whenever I have nails on like this, I usually do press-ons. I just did acrylics. I will take a pill, and then the next day I will notice like a little jump from my cuticle to where my press-on nail is. This is good. Like, this is good. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, am I super on top of my collagen pills? Am I taking it every single day? I haven't missed a day. Hell to the no. Like, I have my days where I just don't feel like doing anything and just washing my face and moving on with my day. But when I do take these, I notice a difference. Like, my hair has gotten so long so fast. My lashes, I got super glue in my eye and I had to rip it out, and I lost like half of my lashes, and everybody was telling me it was gonna take like 2 months to grow back. My lashes grew back in like 2 weeks. This is just amazing. You have to have collagen in your everyday routine. You can't just depend on one product to cure acne or whatever it is that you want to change in your face or anywhere in your body and not do anything on the inside. Like, if you're drinking Cokes and sodas and candies and burgers and fast food and fried foods, but you're like, no, it's fine. Like, I invested in this like $40 cream. You have to change your diet. Can't expect to have beautiful, clear skin when you're eating horrible foods, when you're drinking sodas, when you're not doing things like this. So this is really amazing. I'm gonna have it in my Amazon storefront. It is a little pricey. I think this bottle right here was like $45, but it is so worth it. Next, we have dandelion root. This right here, another product that's amazing. These are vegan capsules, non-GMO. It is so powerful. It prevents cancer from growing. Like, it prevents it from even forming if your body's like on the verge of forming. Like, it is amazing. And let me just throw this out there. I'm not a doctor. First of all, it is a antioxidant. It's highly nutritious. It has vitamins A, C, and K. Also contains vitamin E, folate, and small amounts of other B vitamins. It helps reduce inflammation, which is so amazing, especially if you have a lot of acne in your face, because if you have red acne and it's basically inflamed, so this is gonna help with inflammation. It has anti-cancer effects. It helps with aiding in weight loss. It helps a healthy digestion, and it treats constipation. Like, it does so many amazing things. So this is something that I take every single day. Another thing that I do is I drink this every single morning on an empty stomach, and I don't eat anything after for a while. Celery juice. You gotta wake up. Like, you guys have to wake up. Like, let me open up your eyes, because there are so many things that are so amazing for us that we will never get told in 1,000 billion years unless you do the research for yourself. But we are never gonna get told about things like these because they're inexpensive, they're natural, you can grow it, it's cheap. Pure celery juice, it tastes nasty by itself. So I put some in a cup, and then I pour a little bit of apple juice. I drink it in the morning, and while I'm taking my pills, I drink that to help swallow the pills. I have noticed that this right here helped my back knee so much. This is so good for clear skin. It is so amazing for clear skin. It is packed with antioxidants. It reduces inflammation, improves digestion, great source of vitamins and minerals. It clears your skin. It stimulates hair growth. It helps stabilize your mood. I would not be able to have the skin that I have now, like this glowy, radiant looking skin, if it was just based off the skin things that I showed you. No, I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you guys so that you guys can go on my Amazon and buy something. Like, no, I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. Like, over here on this channel, I'm not BSing. If you're gonna invest and you're gonna start doing these things, it's also very important that you're looking into the ingredients. The front of the label can look look really cute, right? But it's about what's in the ingredients. That's the most important thing. And I am not here to gatekeep. Like, I want you guys to truly shine and be radiant and be happy in your skin. Change your diet, change your lifestyle, get on top of these things. The moment is now, ladies. Don't wait for tomorrow. The moment is now. Go out, invest in your products, and do what you gotta do for yourself, because no one is looking out for you guys. The only person looking out for you is you. Everything is linked down below in my Amazon storefront. Comment on this video letting me know what other type of videos you would like to see from me. What do you want me to talk about? Because I am very knowledgeable. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!